That's that. It's only, you've only got him left. It's only Django. Come on, Mabel. Mabel, good girl. He's alright, Mabel, I promise. What? Mabel, it's all, leave him, he's not going to hurt her. You'll get bored of her. Come on, Mabel, it's alright. He's not going to hurt, I promise you won't hurt you. I promise. Come on, Mabel. Come on, Mabel. Oh, wait.
Hey, good guy.
Right, Hendrix, she doesn't want to play no more. Lee, good boy, good boy. That's a bird that you chased there. This way, Hendrix. Have a son. Good boy. It's the first time Hendrix has been on this field, so we're just going to have to watch him because there is a gap over there and we do not want him to find it. And he seems to be heading that way. Hi, son. Come on, son. Good boy. Let's go that way so he goes this way. That's why he's going over there. I'll have a look. Go for a bit of privacy.
Hendrix! Stop laying down.
Mabel, come on. If you stop laying down, he'll just ignore you.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's another day. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals.
Come on, Mabel. Come on, Mabel.
Sudden, I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so
yeah, you've got a little bump.
just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. Never really asked to be brought into this place.
No, leave it. No, she has to start it up, so. Doesn't it? This way, Hendrix. Walk this way away from this guy. Come on, buddy. Come on. Haha, he's an idiot. He couldn't see it. He would have been if he hadn't seen it. Oh, Millie, no.
Hey, good girl.
Millie, no.
Come on, Rib. Get your stick.
Oh, this is going to be trouble.
Come on, Mabel, get it.
This is going to be trouble. What are you doing with that big stick, Millie?